Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chongbian's kitchen. You would never expect that cracking 3 eggs into green beans could make something this delicious. Let's follow the video and see how it's made. First, prepare a handful of green beans. Cut off the ends and discard them. Then cut the beans into long sections. Next, prepare a pot and pour in plenty of water. Bring it to a boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling, add a little salt and a spoonful of cooking oil, then add the green beans. Cook the beans for about 3 minutes until they are done. Adding salt and oil helps the beans maintain their bright green color and prevents them from turning yellow. After cooking, scoop them out and transfer them into cold water to cool. Once cooled, remove them and drain well. Next, cut the drained green beans into small cubes. Try to cut them as small as possible for a better texture. After cutting, place them in a bowl. Crack 3 eggs directly into the bowl of green beans. Use chopsticks to mix well, breaking up the eggs so the beans are evenly coated with the egg mixture. Set aside. Next, prepare a carrot. Slice it into thin pieces, then cut those slices into fine shreds, and finally chop them into small carrot cubes. Add the carrot cubes to the bean bowl. Now prepare some scallions and chop them into small pieces. Add the scallions to the bowl as well. For seasoning, add 2 small spoons of salt and 1 spoon of pepper powder. Use chopsticks to mix thoroughly until all the seasonings dissolve, combining everything evenly. Once mixed, add 2 spoons of flour and stir again until everything is well incorporated. Dear friends, if you've watched this far and feel my video is helpful, please tap that like button with your lucky little hands. Every like and comment is my motivation to keep going. Thank you all for your continuous support and encouragement. Mix until the batter becomes thick, like shown in the video. Set aside. Next, prepare an electric griddle and brush it with a layer of cooking oil. Spoon a scoop of the batter onto the griddle. Leave a little space between each portion to avoid sticking. After placing them all, use the spoon to shape each portion into a round patty. Cover the lid and cook for 1 minute. When the time is up, open the lid and flip the patties. Cook the other side as well. Continue cooking for another minute. Flip back and forth to ensure the patties cook evenly. Cook the bottoms for another 30 seconds or so until fully done and both sides turn golden and crispy, just like in the video. Then they're ready to serve. Wow, just looking at them makes your appetite grow. Transfer them onto a plate and enjoy. A plate of nutritious and delicious green bean patties is ready. The outside is crispy and fragrant, while the inside is soft. Truly delicious. Even my picky child eats 2 or 3 as soon as they come out of the pan. You can enjoy these for breakfast or as a main dish. They're great either way. Plus, they're very easy to make. Just a few minutes and breakfast for the whole family is ready. All right, if you like this recipe, save it and give it a try. See you in the next video.